Hey everybody, we got a pan of chicken broth right there. We're gonna make us some Mexican rice. I am making that some TV dinners, and I don't know if anybody's ever seen these. These are little containers you get at Dollar Tree. They got your fork and you got your spoon. And they have two compartments. Well, I made burritos for here, and I'm gonna make Mexican rice for the small compartment. And that's gonna be a couple meals for him for when he goes on the road. This, I have 3 cups of chicken broth, and this is some brown rice because I didn't know I had so much brown rice. Hey Kathy. I'm going to do 3 things of brown rice. 3 cups of brown rice going in there. Hey Kathy, I heard you have a new group or new page. You can throw the link up on my live. Some of my friends might want to join your group or your page or whatever it is. Hey Ann. Okay, now I'm going to get a teaspoon of garlic powder. Ooh, 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 ooh. You can't boil over. I've already been cleaning up jelly I've got everywhere today. Yeah, anybody that has a new business page or business page is willing to put it in my lives whenever I do my lives. They're more than happy to share it. Okay, we'll give that a quick toss. And now to make the Mexican rice yummy, I'm going to use 1 jar of salsa. This is really simple, and it's so yummy. Yeah, yes, because I know my friends and the people on my page always support each other as I support other people, and they support me. So it's not, if anybody wants to share their pages anytime they're on with me, help yourself and please share me and support me too. I mean, that's just a nice way to be. We're all small businesses. A lot of us anyway. Then I'll just let the rice cook. And that will be some yummy Mexican rice. I don't know if my burrito, oh, I get to show you. This is what I made. This is the enchiladas I made with the refried beans I made yesterday. I made enchiladas, and you get to see the finished product. This is my enchiladas I made, and then I'll have the fried rice. That'll be in his little TV dinner. Y'all better pray that I can get one of those big things in here, because I don't think I can. I may have to cut it in half. Hey, Donna. Hey, Kim. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm just letting this rice cook, and then I'll add both of those to his TV dinner. he had to work over today. So I thought, well, I'll just make him some TV dinners to take to work. Get him some good refried beans in there. He's not spoiled or nothing. Add some refried beans in there. Make it good and messy for him. Oh, thank you, Linda. I'm gonna stir don't want them to the rice to stick. Give it a quick toss to make sure that don't stick. He'll have stuff for me for work, and then he'll have stuff to go home when he comes home, because he'll be home sometime today. He had to do a hot shot load straight to Michigan full of food. They needed it there like yesterday. And I like to have him something nice to come home to, but it's nice to have him something that he can take out. He can slide these right in the freezer of his truck. Hey, Sheena. Yeah, the nice thing, these containers he can slide right in the freezer at work in his semi truck. So he can eat those whenever. I like to make little things that he can just pull out of the freezer and have a really nice meal, because he's got a microwave and he can throw that in the microwave. He'd probably eat that and a salad, knowing Thad, because Thad loves to have salad. He does a lot of salads on the road. And make sure that's not too soupy. Get that rice cooked down. Add a little pepper. Just a little pepper to taste. This was 3 cups of chicken stock, 1 can of salsa, a teaspoon of garlic, and 3 cups of, I had brown rice, but you can use white rice. It's one of those, what you have on hand right now. I'm working on cleaning out my cabinets and using some of the things I have on hand, because I don't want to go to the stores. I want to stay away from the store as much as I can with my immune system. Hey, Emily. Yes, I'm making some good Mexican rice. I made jelly earlier. Emily, you know I've cooked on this page before I think anybody started cooking. Okay. I think I was one of the first people to start cooking all the time on their pages. And I make all kinds of things. I made jelly earlier. I made refried beans the other day. These are TV dinners for Thad, for work. They're definitely got to be more yummy than banquet TV dinners. Here's his TV dinner. That's what it looks like. Hey, Lori. That's his TV dinner for work. I'll let them cool and I'll freeze them, and he can put those in his freezer in the semi-truck. Oh, girl, why not? You don't want it to stick in the bottom of your pan. Okay. I did add to the recipe. I added salsa to the recipe. You missed it. Talk to you later. Bye.